Causes of hair loss in an early age. There can be multiple reasons why someone may lose hair in a young age. In men, it can often be due to some deficiencies, and it can be due to autoimmune disease, and it can also be stress related. Nowadays, it can also be something we can see after COVID. If someone had COVID, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 months later, she may experience hair loss, and that is what we call telogen effluvium. It's a reaction to the trauma to any serious disease where the hair loss may show up a few months later. Now, if we want to find out in each and every patient what the cause of hair loss is, we can't just assume something. We would need to examine the patient, hear how the hair loss developed, examine the scalp, see if we can see any specific pattern, and we may also need, or likely we would need to take some blood tests to see whether or not there are any corrective causes that could help us regrow the hair for the patient. So for each patient it will differ, and we'd need to look into what could be the background and treat accordingly.